Standard 4th, EVS 2, Shivaji's childhood. As we have discussed earlier in the first session of this lesson about Shivaji's childhood, let us see the other details of this lesson. Shahaji Raje towards the Mughals. Now Shahaji Raje returned to Nizam Shahi, but he did not get any peace of mind there. Nizam Shah himself was a fickle-minded person who readily believed all gossip. Hence, many conspiracies and petty rivalries infested the court. This led to the killing of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Openly in the court. Now, Lakhuji Rao Jadhav was brutally murdered openly in the court at the instigation of Nizam Shah himself. Shahaji Raje could not stand this, and he left Nizam Shahi and joined Mughals. And Shahjahan, the Mughal emperor, made him a Sardar at his court. In the meantime, secretly joining hands with the Mughals, Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah. And in return, the Mughals rewarded Fateh Khan with the territory under the control of Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje, with anger, left the Mughals and started using his own power against the Mughals. Founding of a new Nizam Shahi. In order to forestall the Mughal emperor and Wazir Fateh Khan, Shahaji Raje found a child heir from the Nizam's family to be the next Nizam Shah on the court of Pemgiri near Junar. Shahaji Raje established an altogether new kingdom which included the territory between the rivers Godavari and Neera. He fought vigorously to protect this new state. The Mughal Emperor Shahjahan attacked Shahaji Raje in the south. Shahaji Raje used guerrilla tactics, one of the tactics in the war against the Mughals, but could not succeed. Unwillingly, Shahaji Raje surrendered himself to the Mughals in 1636. And after the downfall of the Nizam Shahi established by Shahaji Raje, his territory was divided among the Mughals and Adil Shah. Shahaji Raje's Jagir of Pune and Supe lay within Nizam Shah's share. He gave it to Shahaji Raje on his behalf, so he gave it to Shahaji Raje. Now Shahaji Raje joined Adil Shah services. Jijabai and Shivaji also joined him in Karnataka. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka. Adil Shah awarded him with the Jagir of Bangalore. At that time, young Shivaji used to hear the stories of the brave deeds of his father. Jijabai and Shivaji got some peace when they arrived in Karnataka. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka, and because of that, Adil Shah awarded him with the Jagir of Bangalore. Shahaji Raje then made the city of the Bangalore his headquarters. and what happened that we will learn in the next lesson. Thank you.